Your tiny apartment might be hiding its real potential. Most people believe that small spaces automatically mean cheap-looking homes. But that is completely wrong. Because in 2026, luxury is no longer about size, it is about design, light, and smart space usage. In this video, you will learn how to transform any tiny apartment into a premium, modern, and expensive-looking living space. Even if your room is small, even if your budget is low, you can still achieve a luxury home aesthetic. Watch until the end because the final tip will completely change how you see small spaces. Intro. Design mindset. Modern apartment styling in 2026 is changing rapidly. People are moving away from bulky furniture and cluttered interiors. Instead, the focus is now on clean layouts, soft lighting, functional furniture, and minimal luxury design. A small apartment is no longer a limitation. It is actually an opportunity to create a highly aesthetic and premium space. Let's start with the first transformation idea. Idea 1. Space-saving furniture. One of the biggest secrets of luxury small apartments is smart furniture selection. Instead of large, heavy furniture, use foldable tables, storage beds, wall-mounted desks, compact sofas. These items reduce clutter and increase open space. The more floor space you can see, the more expensive your apartment feels. Minimal furniture always creates a luxury illusion. Idea 2. Hidden storage system. Clutter is the #1 reason small apartments look cheap. That's why hidden storage is essential. You can use under-bed storage boxes, built-in wall shelves, sofa storage compartments, vertical cabinets. Everything should have a place. A clean room always feels bigger, brighter, and more premium. Luxury design is not about what you show, it's about what you hide. Idea 3. Color psychology. Color plays a huge role in how your apartment feels. Dark and heavy colors make spaces feel smaller. But in 2026, luxury apartments use beige, warm white, cream, soft gray, earthy tones. These colors reflect light and create openness. They also give a calm, hotel-like atmosphere. A simple color change can completely upgrade your home. Idea 4. Lighting transformation. Lighting is the most powerful design tool. Harsh white light makes everything look cheap. Instead, use layered lighting. Warm ceiling lights, LED strip lighting, table lamps, hidden ambient lighting. This creates depth and luxury mood. Good lighting can make a $200 apartment look like a $2,000 apartment. Idea 5. Mirror illusion trick. One of the oldest but most powerful tricks in interior design is mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and create depth. Place mirrors opposite windows, behind sofas, on wardrobe doors. This instantly doubles the visual space. Even a tiny room can feel twice as large. Idea 6. Vertical space usage. In small apartments, floor space is limited. So the smart solution is vertical design. Use tall shelves, wall-mounted storage, hanging plants, vertical cabinets. This keeps the floor clean and open. Luxury design always flows upward, not outward. Idea 7. Minimalism strategy. Minimalism is not about removing everything. It is about choosing only what matters. Remove extra furniture, unused items, visual clutter. Keep only functional items, stylish decor, clean surfaces. Less visual noise equals more luxury feeling. Idea 8. Wall and decor style. Walls define the personality of your apartment. Instead of filling walls with random decorations, use one large artwork, neutral wall textures, simple shelves, soft lighting accents. Clean walls always look more expensive. Idea 9. Kitchen plus dining combo. Small apartments often combine kitchen and dining areas. To make it premium, use compact dining tables, keep surfaces clean, match color tones, add small lighting above table. This creates a unified luxury look. Final transformation. So these were the most powerful tiny apartment styling ideas for 2026. Remember, a small space is not a disadvantage. It is an opportunity to design smarter, cleaner, and more beautifully. With the right lighting, colors, furniture, and layout, even the smallest apartment can look like a luxury home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more modern home decor inspiration.